Another sharp turn.
Are you recording?
Yes.
No, I look underdressed.
Your bad driving is on camera.
Bad driving? Excuse you.
We can have ramen. You want ramen?
No?
Yeah, let's get ramen. A lot of places are closed. There's this one place called Koi Ramen. The place is open, so we can go for dinner.
You coming to Cary right
Yes, I'm coming to Cary right now. She's going on a date today.
Cary's so small.
It's a nice area. Has everything you need to survive. Like every other place.
What?
They have more variety, I guess, when it comes to
Everything you
Asian
need to
food.
survive. 30 minutes of driving.
We're almost there, everybody. Yay!
This is Lake Jordan, everybody.
Michael Jordan?
No, Jordan Lake. There's a fisherman boat over there. That's all. Corvette, a red one. Where people have money. That's why you be old. Please don't name your kids Axel.
Azal. A girl. What would I name a girl?
Axel.
Yeah, my dad hoped for doctors. He got 3 incels. What you got here?
We got spiked hot chocolate.
Says she thirsty, so she came to drink. You got it?
It's hot.
She forgot it's hot chocolate.
It tastes like hot chocolate, but you don't really taste the alcohol. See, you forgot it was hot too.
It's boiling hot. Anyway, back to the real show.
This is the cherry blossom. Little panda bear. This dragon looks really cool.
Nice.
Wow. So cool. The little kid said, it's ginormous, Daddy.
A lot of this stuff will be better if we can get in it. Wow.
Take a video too. So I can send to
She's
my mom.
stealing my job.
So I can send to my mommy. My mommy likes
You know
this.
what? Screw your content. Wow, look at that eye. So realistic.
It's like he's staring at you. I rate this light show a 5 out of 10. My
Why is
favorite
that?
part was just the entrance.
I would give it a 4.5 out of 10. For restricting it to where you block off where the lights are, just so you can take a picture in front of the light, it's not pretty, and it's hard on camera. How would you rate the place we stayed?
You rate it.
1 out of 10. Because of the fucking doors giving me anxiety. Can we get a poggers chat? Like this.
We just had koi ramen. How was it?
Flavors are just melting in my tongue. I had a really good broth. Ground pork
Yeah.
really made the broth rich.
I had the black garlic. It's a 7 out of 10 for me. It was okay. It wasn't like wow, and it wasn't like eh. On our way to Milk Lab first.
What do you recommend?
Most of the good Asian foods are in Cary.
Thank you.
Hope you enjoy your lunch with your friends.
We had the bestest sleep ever here.
Fire alarm didn't go off at 5, and I definitely didn't have to call the front desk, and they definitely did not tell me that. I just had to yank the shit out.
Hmart has good food. Lots of options. Okay, off to Hmart. My bag. Here's my door person. Thank you, door person. Thank you for opening the door.
Holy shit.
That's where I got my mommy's cake. They got all the cakes.
Should we bring a cake back home?
They changed the packaging. This one's really good. They're tiny memories. dragon fruit looks really good. Should get a cart for your parents. Make sure that it's not too soft. Oh, they also have Wagyu, American Wagyu.
Here's spring water.
Fancy packaging.
What the hell it is. It just looks fancy.
I kind of want to try it. It's like in a milk carton. We usually get this brand. The side dishes here are yummy. My mommy likes this. This one too. This Leroy James. She's injured. She got her booster shot.
My heart's injured and so is my arm.
Did you pass out?
Kind of in shock that I just faint.
Yum.
That's good.
Big one. I think it's just soy sauce and vinegar and sesame. Pineapple.
I need more sauce. They're good.
I was expecting it to be super crunchy.
No, I've had this before.
It's like this.
Yeah. Is the vlogging?
She wants to be the vlog. Oh no. All the ramen in the world here.
I want to try this one day. I just wonder if it's good.
Tiramisu. Have you had it?
Yeah.
Is it good?
This one's thin though.
These are the thin ones.
I've always wanted to try these.
You can go home first and get ready. You check your house.
Yeah.
That's it.
And she's gone. She left us.
I'm joking. Now we go.
Now we go. So how would you rate your hmart
10 out of
experience?
10.
Yeah, I love it
Good ass
here.
food.
Have a sip.
We're down bad.
Now we go to Lyra's house. Hi. 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 Oh, I like how she just lays down. She likes me more than you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute. Oh, there she goes. There she goes. She's too excited to be picked up. Look at her. She just jumping around. Oh. She's so cute. Here we are.
We're at
Target because Meat Fresh is closed, dim sum is closed. You my mini squeeze. The avocado to my toast. Looking sharp. I used to love fun dip. Very, very fun to dip.
Wow.
Oh, that's so cute. Oh my god. I want it. I don't have any use for it.
You'll figure it out.
Whee! Whee! Brecotea. I don't know, brecotea. Either way, I guess. It's pretty empty at night. It's usually busy in the mornings. Brecotea didn't have any savory buns. We're in downtown Cary. We're walking to the car after our little dinner.
Fantastic dinner. Did you know that $100 can fit on a small plate? I didn't.
It was the fanciest dinner I've ever been to.
Yeah.
How would you rate MC Cuisine?
The guy was awesome. He was super nice. He let us in.
I believe he's the manager.
Service, I'll give it 10 out of 10.
We were supposed to wait 30 minutes.
Right when we left the door, he was like,
Yeah.
you know what? I got y'all. I'm like,
He
bet.
said, I'll take care of y'all.
The food?
It was okay.
Don't get me wrong, the Wagyu was really good. Biggest piece was this big. Like, look at the size of me, bro. You think I ration? I'm fat as fuck.
And then we had like 3 parts of the tuna.
The first one was good, don't get me wrong. It was
I didn't
just
like the
texture.
first one. Like, it was slimy for me. That's the restaurant. But yeah.
It's a house.
But I'd give the place, well, sushi-wise, a 6 out of 10. I thought it was gonna be like a normal restaurant vibe. It was very fancy. We were underdressed. We were dressed, but not their type of dressed.
They were wearing suits and ties. We're just not the type of people that spend that much
Yeah.
on so little.
But it was a good experience.
It was good. How would you rate this trip?
I'd say an 8 out of 10.
You're telling me that Cary's overhyped?
It's not overhyped. It's because the places I wanted to go to, they were closed.
Closer.
So we'll be back next time. But it was a good trip. I enjoyed it. It was full of surprises. The hotel, places I wanted to go to not being open. This restaurant, which wasn't on like my list at all. We had Wagyu there. Totally unplanned. So we're back at the hotel. The next day, we ended up stopping by Greensboro to go to round 1. We also stopped by Moshi to get some boba, very yummy. And I got this cute keychain from round 1, so cute. And here's us going back to Charlotte.